So let's take a moment to prepare for meditation. Taking a few deep breaths right where we are. Just breathing into this moment. Allowing ourselves to feel grounded. Allowing ourselves to experience the silence that is always available and always accessible, that is full of love, full of intelligence, and full of light. So right where you are, we breathe deeply. On the inhale, filling the body temple, and on the exhale, just releasing any tension, any stress. On the inhale, drawing the crown of the head high, and on the exhale, lowering the shoulders and relaxing into this moment. We are truly the offspring of the divine. We are one with the one with the creative energy of the universe, the universal life force that we know as God, and needing no name at all. So as we remember this truth, we let it fill our being from center to circumference. As we remember this truth, it radiates through our being as harmonizing energy and as the full experience of wholeness. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here. This divine resource is inexhaustible. No matter how much attention we give to this knowing, it is never in lack. It is ours to remember our connectedness, our wholeness, and all of the spiritual support that is available to us in this and each moment. So we lengthen the inhale and we lengthen the exhale as we breathe into the silence together. Gently, we bring our hands to the heart center, as if inhaling and exhaling through the heart itself. Allowing images of gratitude to fill the heart, to fill the mind. And allowing that to radiate through the heart center to the world. In gratitude for this life we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. And may all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.